What's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna make a review about a welding machine. So I'm kind of in a budget. I've been doing the oil field. It's down right now, so I'm doing fences, doors, and all that stuff. So I need a MIG machine, right? So I did a research on the titanium from Harbor Freight, the Vulcan from Harbor Freight. They don't have them on stock. So I was looking for on YouTube, you know, like the best machine, or on a budget. And none of the guys, it wasn't the machine. None of the guys that did the reviews give me what I wanted. Because the machine, the welding machines are good. It was just the guys, those guys, they don't know how to set up the machine. You can tell right away on a MIG machine just by hearing it. Just by hearing it, you're gonna find out what's wrong with it. And that's what I was looking for. Like I would fast forward the video and then try to hear the beat sound, and I couldn't hear it. So anyway, I found this machine. I was like, that's the only one that I could find on stock and on Norton Tool. So I found it, and I did a research. Still found out the same thing. They couldn't give me what I really wanted. So I was like, man, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. It's a pretty good machine. It's a Klutch Make and Stick and Tick MP140Si. I'll show it to you right now, guys. Alright, this is the machine that I bought. And to be honest, I'm not with Harbor Freight, I'm not with Klutch. This is the first time that I even hear about this machine. But it wasn't my budget. I spent, it was $409 plus tax. It doesn't come with the tick torch, with the Hilliard torch. So be aware of that. You gotta buy it on separate. And the spool gun too. You can weld aluminum with this thing. So anyway, like I was telling you guys, I couldn't find what I wanted on a machine, right? And right now, I already tried it out. I'm gonna record myself how to throw a beat and the settings that I have. And for this money, plus there's another thing that I like about this machine. It's a 110, so you don't have to have a 220 plug. Man, for the money that I'm paying for this machine, I'm pretty sure you're gonna get it on the first break. You're gonna get it back. This machine, it's awesome. Now I'm gonna put this out there. Remember, I just bought this machine just to weld small things like sheet metal, fences and stuff like that. You know, you don't want to go over, like, you're not gonna put a half-inch plate or inch plate, eighth of an inch. I mean, 1 inch plate. And then if you're gonna do that, buy you something bigger. I'm telling you right now. So if you're gonna buy this machine, it's because you're doing small stuff like sheet metal, repair cars, fences, stuff like that. You know, it can help you in other things. You just, if you're gonna go more than 3/16, I suggest you preheat a lot and then just start welding, and maybe you're gonna be able to make it happen. But I recommend you. I bought this machine just for fences and small stuff, sheet metal and all that stuff. I did this one right now, but I'm gonna make a new one. That way you guys can see that I'm welding with that machine and not with another machine. I'm gonna do it right here. It's not hot because I'm touching it. If it was hot, I wouldn't be touching it. You see it? So a lot of people will be like, hey, it's already hot, this and that. No, it's not hot. Look, not hot at all. Okay, right now I have it on, excuse my mess, but I have it on the wire speed. I have it at 15.8, and then on the voltage I have it on 6.3, and the other one I have it on 6. I don't know why, but it was there, so I'm just gonna leave it there. So I'm gonna run a beat just like the one I did right now, and just show you guys gonna like it. Oh, and I'm running my gas on 20. Alright guys, let's get to it. You're gonna hear that beat, light beat, the one that I'm talking about. look at it. We'll remove the foam. We'll remove the foam. Look. Hope you guys like it. This first one, this is when I was trying to turn it on and, you know, set it up, but this is the outcome of it. I really like it, to be honest. Like I said, this is it's on 558, and then on the wire feet, and then voltage is 16.3. And on this one, I don't think it matters because it's off right there. You can see right there, it says off. Another thing, right now I couldn't get it to work at the when I took it out the box, because this one, I didn't know this. I thought it was for something else, but this one has to be plugged here, and that's the way it's gonna work for the MIG. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like it. I really like the machine, to be honest. I'm not the best welder. Like I said, I'm not the best welder. I'm not with Klutch. I'm not with anybody. I'm a welder. I do recommend this machine, like I said, for small stuff, for handrails, fences, sheet metal, and stuff like that. This is for the people that builds the welding machines. I hope you see this. If you send your welding machine to somebody else that doesn't know how to weld, it's gonna make your product look bad. Like right now, I was doing a research on titanium, on Vulcan, and what other Eastwood, a different kind of machines, you know, on a budget. And to be honest, I didn't like none of the reviews that I saw. And it wasn't the welding machines, don't get me wrong, it wasn't the welding machines. I'm a welder, I know those machines are good. Sadly, I couldn't find them in town, that's why I didn't get none of them. But I was going for the titanium or the Eastwood. The reviews that these guys made, they don't even know how to weld. Whenever they do it, the welds look like crap, to be honest, and it's making your product look bad. So next time, hire somebody that knows that he knows what he's doing. That way he can do a good review on your machine. Like this one, I really like it because it's not even all the wire. It's not even all the heat. It's not maxed out, and it was pretty good. Like I said, I really like it. Look, to be honest, I really like it. Excuse my mess on the back. Yeah, man. I do recommend this machine. To be honest, $409. You can beat the price. It does MIG, it does flux core, it does a stick, it does TIG. It does not come with the TIG torch. You gotta buy it separately. That's what it says on the box. And you can buy a spool gun and you can weld aluminum with it. So you can't beat that for $409, and especially the way it welds. I hope you guys like it, and you know, just if you like the video, thumbs up, you already know. And stay safe out there.